Hi guys, this is me, Leland, and today I am doing a vlog. And today we are going out on the motorbike. And there is Zane and Rowan's quad, stinking dirty. There is Heather's motorbike. Oh, that's quite dirty as well. Cool metal floor. Actually, there is Heather.
Nej, opdeler.
Nee, Leland.
Zit voor, dan is het maar. Hij is schön maar.
Look, there's Zane.
Mama, Daddy said out. Out to space.
Where's Rowan Jones?
You're gonna show you my dogs now. What's that?
Something weird happened then, guys.
The pit bull and he's a whippet.
There's Rowan.
With greyhound.
That's a whippet cross greyhound. And his name is Floyd. That's Rip, a pit bull.
Pit bull cross what?
Nothing.
Staff.
A pit bull cross staff. There's Rowan.
And Rip's a pit bull.
Row. Hey. Playing football with Rowan. Were you right? Hey. Sorry. Rowan's my boy. This way. This way.
Huh?
This way now. So yeah, guys, that's really it. What?
That's Leland Jones.
That's Heather Jones. What? Want to take a coat off and then we can go out. So yeah, guys, that's it. That's it for today. I will be doing another video of us on the motorbike. Peace out. Bye bye. No. Peace.